Welcome to the Funny Monkey Weekend, where we play 3 funny monkey games to find out which one is the best. The 3 games we're going to be playing is Chibis, Monkey's Place, and the grand one, Mang. This is one of my favorites. I hope you enjoy, and whoever wins gets the sick Funny Monkey prize. Hey guys, I'm back. Unfortunately, I had to deal with my headset died. I just forgot how ugly I was. But yeah, I'm in a public lobby.
Run in the hole! Run in the hole! Hey, everybody, come over
Okay,
the.
let's go to 4.
Here.
Dang, the ball's when I put it in my heart.
On that one.
Yes, sir.
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Hurry up! Hurry up, son!
Oh wait, can you grab it?
Hurry up!
And this is a movie theater over here. Let's go to the movie theater. Let's go to the movie theater. You know, at the movies. Monkey.
What the hell?
Everyone! Go in this. Oh, go over there. Come. Follow me because I'm scared. Come on.
Yeah, you know, man. We also have J-Man's video.
You guys are always wanting me to
See this? Oh, break my law. You got my heart on my mind. Okay, I'm gonna blur that out because it says fleeing the country because of not paying an undisposed amount of money. If you know, you know. What the heck?
We better run, guys.
Oh, Jesus.
We better run.
Oh, that's a little bit of that's just a bug right
But
there.
I can
I
beg.
put my hands. Can I put my hands through it?
The flip monkey.
Okay.
No, the bed.
But yeah, over here is a cool little skate park. Look what I can do. 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 I'm glad up to here. Like, dude, this is so rad.
My hands in the wall.
I know what I want to do. Whoa. I'm scared. What the? Oh no. Heck, I can't get off. Ah! What the heck? Oh, what the heck is
I did it! Okay, bye guys! I'm gonna do the helicopter!
I have to put on a person camera. There's like 5 of the white guys. Come on,
Oh
you
my
get
God.
Whoa,
I had to jump over there. I seriously.
Bye, guys.
Can you go like up this?
You can go back up. Keep up. Before you die. So this game is called
Third person
Monkey's
camera, go.
Place.
Okay, I'm coming back down. Wait, where's you? You already left?
I don't like this.
Oh,
Okay,
wait,
see,
the
wake
camera
up.
mod. The camera mod. How much do I have? I can buy the camera mod. What is this like?
I'm not ready to go yet, though.
Look at the camera mod.
Never stop running. Oh, shoot.
That's cool. Look at that.
It is
Okay.
Amber. She is coming for us. It is Amber. She is coming for
Alright.
us.
Over here is the little things.
Boom. Shoot.
I don't. This is a cool color, orange color, but oh, I'm black.
Yeah.
But
Bro,
I
this
like
third
this
person
yellow
camera
color.
is
It's more
I
better.
don't think it's working.
Hold up. What is it like? What are you
He's
doing?
right there.
Not playing Mickey's Run. Download it.
No, just go ahead and give me. It doesn't even matter. Bro, he was like right there.
I did the
Went ahead and
Let's
got
go.
caught.
I like. What about? What?
not working.
I'm just curious to think about. Where is this? Third person camera. Maybe.
Did I complete it?
Okay. Doesn't work. Doesn't work.
No, I didn't complete it.
Let me put on my.
I didn't complete it. What did I do?
Oh no.
I pressed the big green Bro, I button.
Oh,
just want. Wait, are you still alive?
What do I do?
Guy?
Okay.
Wait,
that's
whoa!
more. I'm gonna. I can't decay.
Whoa, follow me!
I'm gonna put on this costume. Look at this. Look at this. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Sick, isn't it? Bananas are. No,
I'm sorry, I have bouncy body. It's a little hard to get
download
up
this
these stairs.
game. Yeah, download this game. Download
Download
the
Monkey's
game.
Rap.
Download this game right now. So
I'm not doing the wind push glitch.
I don't know. People are talking now.
Do you
That's
do it
all.
already?
I don't even know what you're saying.
And stuff like that.
Thank
And
you.
I forgot to showcase the arcade.
Yeah, the first time I did it, I had
Sure you wanted me to do this?
Whoa!
You sure? Okay. Wee, wee.
Okay.
Let's go.
Need to replace the batteries.
I don't know if this is even an arcade or something like that. Oh, this is the arcade. Yeah, over here is the arcade. The arcade and stuff like that. Looks cool.
What
Isn't
the
it?
hell?
Yep, really cool. Like it's really cool. Like over there is a little flappy monkey. Let's play. Let's play.
Into a vlogger.
Doing something.
How do I look in them? Oh
This
my
is
god!
bananas. Just
Oh
play flappy
my god!
monkey.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
No!
I ain't paying any money.
One. But a one
Oh,
among
yes.
us,
Oh,
two
drop.
among us,
Drop.
three
This
among
is
us, four. I put the new small drip on my drip.
Drop.
Oh.
Drop.
How to beat the vlogger guy?
This. Drop.
Hey guys.
Come on,
Once, hold on.
please.
When it's time to take a shower, I think I should have enough shiny or bananas to buy the ears because I
don't like
really
this
need the
anymore.
ears to finish my Huggy costume.
I don't like this
I
game
already have the
anymore.
long arms and I already have the
Okay.
teeth. I just
But what if I keep my hand on the camera like that? There's this. I'm gonna put my hand on the camera and just
What do I do now? Okay, what happened?
keep getting
I
off.
died. What do I do?
and
Yeah,
deliver it.
This is the game, but I'm gonna go.
And put it on
It's time to go to the next game.
Hey,
Like,
blue,
so
hey,
late.
blue guy.
Sorry that it took me so long to produce this video.
I got to the end, but I didn't know what to do.
Oh,
you
you
died.
and some salsa on my balls.
Okay, let's go. Give me back my camera.
Wait, who wants to go on knock fight? I heard
I'm
it's
gonna buy a
pretty
power. I'm gonna buy a power. How
Yeah,
much?
I'll play, I'll play.
How much?
Open after.
Pretty sure it's over
How
here.
much?
I don't remember.
How much do I
Right
have?
here. It was.
I'm gonna send you 400.
It's
Earlier
up here. and
300.
Yeah, I know.
I
I
already
know
had
where it is.
600. How much was
playing
this?
for
Give
long
me
enough.
1,000.
Nice. I like been practicing and monkeys around.
Look at that.
I'm
Get
how
this.
can I survive my
been playing for like
Tell
forever.
me
I'm
why. I can hear them
Yes,
come
sir.
closer.
Nice.
Oh my god. That
Shoot,
door's
my
knocking
leg is
out.
horrible when
They
I get
got
to
these
this part.
doors on lockdown.
Down here is a special map.
Some way to the
It's
end.
cool. Like over
Yeah,
there,
you
is special
coming?
maps. You want to play mini
Bye,
games?
Green.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
just
look
I
at my
hear
leg
them
is
is
close
closed.
again.
I still
Close
keep
to
my
Something
door
that
here.
door's knocking loud.
Yeah, they
got
closed
the
this, unfortunately.
doors
It's
on
sad.
lockdown.
And the
Let
wind
me go
push area
down.
is one of my
Oh, shoot.
favorites.
So what do
Oh,
I
and
do when
here,
I'm
it's
down
kinda
this
hard
big
to
hole?
see.
You like punch
When
it?
you see
Can you
nothing,
play a
just
playlist of Chewy
That's
Cat?
pretty-
What do I do?
Welcome.
Chewy
Do I
Cat.
just
This is the
punch you?
tutorial for the wind push area.
A
To
music
fly up,
nerd.
you need to stretch out both arms.
That's
To fly
what
do I
down,
do?
put the arms in
Spell it
again. You can also fly in different directions by holding the A or X button on your controller.
Okay, we
That's all you need to know.
We don't need all that.
I.e. no space.
Okay, this is really.
This is the tutorial for the win push area.
Okay, that was.
So I just.
It's just really searching here.
Now what do I do?
Let's go. What
What
the heck?
I can punch you. I can do it.
Oh my god. Oh, this is the last forever. Go ahead, please. We're done. Oh, this is what my camera looks like. Oh, okay. Jump up. Oh, whoa. Whoa, this is sick.
Oh God, why is this so difficult? I was about to finish you.
Jesus Christ. Oh.
Where's everybody else?
Okay, what happened? Can I roll one?
Yeah, I can knock you back. I can knock you back.
I can roll one. Look at that. Guys, I'm gonna put my camera on here. I can roll one, guys. Look. Okay, have fun. See, I can wall run.
Finally, this suit.
I am Iron Man.
Get off of my side.
It's okay. I am Iron Man. I am Iron Man.
He's rolling back. Come on. Keep posing.
Let's fly up to the next game.
What are you trying to do?
Let's
I jumped.
go to the
Damn, that was.
next.
Oh, Mama, what are you doing?
Oh my god. This is rain. Oh, I don't know. Oh, that is just amazing. Wait, hold up. No way, this is Mank? I've been waiting for this game to come out ever. Oh, I mean,
Working that well.
yeah. So this game is called Mank, and I've been waiting for this game to come out ever since its early access.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you that real quick.
Your early access?
I'm not an early access person. I saw the video. Yeah, that's what happened. I saw the video about Mank back then. This video, and yeah, and I've been waiting for the game to come out ever since that video came out. So, but yeah, got tag, and I really want to play open world because it looks. The heck. Now I'm back in Mank, and yeah, don't go to the infection thing. Do not. Over here. Copyright.
It's not copyright.
We have the
If it was copyright, it wouldn't be in the game. Don't worry.
yeah. So over here we have the
None of this
drinks.
is copyright. It's all made by one person.
What I can do. I can drink one of these drinks and both of the. Like, dude, I can drink one of these drinks and then both of them will disappear. Only one left. Alright, so this is a little hub area where we can have fun. And one cool thing, if you're an epic gamer, just do this. Doesn't work much. But all you have to do is go over here, jump to here, run out, and then you hear this sound. Oh yeah, I forgot to get it enabled. I forgot to get it to enabled. Yeah, you have. Yeah, it looks like it's on, but to be able to get the sound, you have to re-enable it. So all you have to do, leave, and then go back into here, and then you'll hear something funny. Look, man, bro, let's go to Ohio, bro. Let's go to Ohio. Over here is and yeah, you can
Can I show the viewers
you can be Kai Cenat. Yeah.
Wait, can I show the viewers something real quick? Come. Down. Come back up. Okay. So viewers, what that was a monkey camp, which was made about, let's say 3 months ago, was ended 3 months ago, and in monkey camp it had a pool with a fish, that exact thing. Life could be a dream.
Yeah, over here we have a little goober right over here. I don't see the water. I don't see the water in here. Sad.
There is no water in here.
Then why is this a hot tub? There's no water in it. And so we're gonna move on to the next game.
It's not even a tub. It's just hot.
Yeah, and guys, if we get this video to enough,
A billion likes, we will go in there. Billion.
we will go to make good play the horror in it, and we can't just press it.
You do just press it. Oh, you pineapple. There's another witchy.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video. So, yeah.
No.
Everyone,
Subscribe
whoever
or
this
I'll
is,
hit your yacht.
so let's do this transition.